If you're over 60 and waking up feeling stiff, tired, or just off, you're not alone. In fact, over 65% of men over 60 silently suffer from poor circulation and declining energy. But here's something you likely haven't heard: the problem isn't just your age. It's your arteries, your blood flow, and what's missing from your breakfast. Let's fix that today. Naturally. No pills. No pressure. Just one simple food habit that restores circulation and energy, from the inside out. Problem: as we age, the blood vessels that once carried oxygen like superhighways become stiff and narrow. That means your muscles starve. Your brain fogs. And yes, even your vitality takes a hit. Doctors call it vascular aging. But guess what? New research shows certain foods can reverse this, especially one special fruit, best eaten in the morning. It's rich in natural compounds that open up blood vessels, energize your muscles, and spark vitality like you felt decades ago. And the best part? You probably already have it in your fridge. The morning fruit for men over 60: meet the red grapefruit. Tart, juicy, and one of nature's most powerful circulation boosters. Here's why: it's packed with vitamin C, essential for strong, flexible blood vessels. It contains lycopene, the same heart-protective antioxidant found in tomatoes. And it delivers natural nitric oxide boosters, helping open arteries, lower blood pressure, and improve stamina. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that men who added just half a grapefruit to their morning routine saw improved blood flow and reduced arterial stiffness in just 3 weeks. One patient of mine, Dennis, 68, added half a grapefruit to his breakfast daily. 3 weeks later, he said, "Doc, I walked up 2 flights of stairs without stopping. That hasn't happened in years." How to eat it right now? Here's the key: don't drown it in sugar. Don't drink it as juice. Eat it whole, fresh, with the pulp. I recommend starting with half a red or pink grapefruit each morning, right next to your eggs or oatmeal. If it's too tart, sprinkle a tiny bit of cinnamon. It balances the flavor and adds an extra boost for blood sugar control. But wait, important note. If you're on certain medications like statins or calcium channel blockers, grapefruit may interfere. Always check with your doctor first. Want to take it up a notch? Pair your grapefruit with foods that work in harmony. A handful of walnuts, rich in omega-3s that reduce artery inflammation. A slice of whole grain toast with avocado, potassium and fiber for heart health. Green tea, full of flavonoids that protect your arteries. This isn't a diet, it's a defense system. A powerful, doctor-approved routine to keep your blood flowing and your energy rising. My friends, aging doesn't mean losing power, it means learning how to protect it. With the right foods in the morning, you don't just eat, you rebuild. You support your heart, sharpen your mind, and fuel the strength your body still holds inside. So tomorrow morning, skip the cereal box. Reach for a grapefruit. Start small. Stay consistent. And watch what happens, in your steps, in your stamina, and in your spirit. Because the best version of you isn't behind you, it's just one breakfast away. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe and tap the bell. We're building a community of strong, smart seniors just like you. Take care, eat well, and let your vitality rise, one morning at a time.